Road 1 currently has a single template applied all the way along the string. Cross-section editing will allow us to go in and manually override the template that's being applied at intervals of our choosing anywhere along that string. We can also override the positions of the codes that are on that template, again at intervals of our choosing. And we've got the batters, and at the moment we have one continuous batter condition of 1 in 1 being applied all the way along our string. So to start off with, we're going to zoom into Road 1 just so we can see this particular area here. At the moment we have a single template being applied all the way through. What we're going to do is have a slightly different template being applied up to chainage 120. This template will simply have just a 2.5 meter wide footpath on either side. Then we're going to keep the current template that's being applied all the way through for the remainder of the string. First of all, we need a template that we can use for the first 120 meters. So to do this, we're going to go up to the Templates panel and click on Create Edit Section. We're going to find the template that we're currently using, which is our template called Road 1. So we're going to go to the Select Template button, look for any template that begins with local, followed by the word Road 1, and then click OK. So this is the template we're using. What we want is a template that has a footpath on both sides that is 2.5 meters wide. What we don't do is now start to edit this template. We work on a copy. So we're going to go to Template Options and then click on Copy Current Template to Local Library. So we're basically doing a Save As. Then click OK. We're then going to apply the following name. Once you've done that, click OK. We can begin to work on this template and not affect the original. What we want is a 2.5 meter wide footpath on the left side and the right side. So the LFPO code entry is currently being shown as 1.5. We're going to change that to 2.5. Then we're going to do the same on the other side. And I'm simply just pressing enter after I've typed in the cell. Now we've created our template that we want to apply for the first 120 meters. Let's now look at how we apply that onto our road string. Click OK to close the form.